Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Board Busters, and today we're going to be drawing the Minecraft Sniffer. Okay, so all the colors you need is a black outline marker. You're going to need quite a lot of colors, and you don't need all of these shadings, but I'm just going to use these shadings because it's going to make it look a lot nicer. We're going to take a dark gray, and then a lighter gray color. We're going to need white or like a highlight color. You guys can use whatever you want for that. I want to take a yellow, dark yellow, and then a bright yellow, dark green, light green, and then just red. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start by the outline. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my black marker. Oh, and if you're wondering, this right here on the sides is cardstock, so it doesn't bleed through this paper. This is my notebook that I really like. It shouldn't bleed to the other side of the paper. So, going to get started by taking our black marker, and then we're just going to start by taking this and kind of making a diagonal line up. So yeah, just make a diagonal line up. And then we're going to make kind of a roundish line, kind of round it off right here. Straight line across. And then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of make a zigzag here. So we're going to go across and then down. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go like this. Now we're going to draw like the dirt part. So we're going to go across, going to go up and then down, across. Then right here we're going to draw a line down. And we can make this thicker to kind of get rid of that part of the line. Like that, we can round that off a bit. Try to make it look nice. And then we're going to draw another line, kind of diagonal. Not really much, but just a little bit. We're going to draw a line up, across, down, under, up. Then we're going to draw across, down, across, down. Then we're going to draw another small line across, up, across, up, down. And then we're going to make this part a bit longer. Draw a line like that. We're going to draw another line across. And yeah, there we go. So there is the kind of dirt part of it. And it doesn't really look, it doesn't look like much yet. So we're just going to take this. We're going to kind of make another kind of one of these on the other side. We're going to make a line go down, across, and then down. That should reach it. And mine looks kind of big. It looks pretty big, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Again, like I always say, everyone needs practice, even if you're drawing and you've been drawing for a long time. Everyone needs practice like me. And what we're going to do now is we're going to, let's do the head. So what I want to do is I want to kind of go across like this in a diagonal line. And let's see. We're going to go down. And then we could go across, down. And then let's make this go down a bit more. Across. Then we'll make a straight line going down. And then we will kind of, whoops. Or, you know, it's not bad. Never mind. We make a line go across, down, across like that, and then across again. Then we're going to make another line come up from this one. And we're going to make that across. And then we're going to go here. I'm pretty much just going to make a line up and then across again. So now what I want to do here is I want to just draw a little eye. So we're just going to draw a square, kind of like that. And there we go. There's an eye. Let's draw his little nostrils. So we're going to draw a little square like that. Going to draw another one like this. And we're going to draw, I guess we could draw the rest of his body. But let's first finish off his head. So we're going to go here. We're going to draw a line down, up, and then kind of a diagonal line coming from here, like that. Now this line, we're going to connect it, kind of just coming up, kind of fade it in. This line's supposed to go right there, but that's okay. Let's just kind of do that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the body. We're going to go across, down, across, up, across, down, across. Then we're going to go down one, the zigzag, up. Then we're going to go across, down, and then we can make this part a foot. And then we could just do one more of these little zigzag lines. So we're going to go across and then across. And boom. There we go. We can kind of overlap that, make it look a bit nicer. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring a line down, across, up. And right here, I want to just draw a few lines. I think this is his ear. Yeah, this is his ear right here. So that part will be kind of like a little loop or a slope, and it will be gray. So I'm going to go here, across, up. And then we're going to go down from this part right here. We're going to go across. And then we can finish it right about there. There we go. There's the outline of our sniffer. This one, you might want to make this shorter and closer. But now it's time to get to coloring. So I'm going to get my green marker. Before that, let's just draw some of these lines. Some of those like dirt lines. Cross, up. Kind of just some of these little lines. You guys can really make it however you want. Go here, up. Okay, that's good. And then we'll draw some more on the other side with the darker green. We'll take our green marker. And let's leave some space up here. This will be our highlighted area. And there we go. Make that a little bit tinier. Yeah, so you guys could add a white, this part right here. We could just take this and kind of just make it white, and it will kind of blend it a bit. Kind of make that a bit wider. I don't know, it's just kind of a nice little, these are blending markers if you're wondering about it. Also for this part, I'm just kind of, for the white, I'm just kind of just taking it and just getting off the green, but I'm kind of just making this whiter, blending it, making it look nice. So that's pretty much all we need for the white. I'm just going to put that back. Oops, there we go. And we're just going to, after this, we're going to color in all of the greens. So I'm just going to take all of my greens and just kind of color this in. And yes, I do have a Q&A going right now. If you go to the community section on my YouTube channel, you are able to ask some questions about my channel and the about my channel, how to grow channel, and then just about me. That's pretty much all you could ask, but yeah, go check that out and ask a question. I will be answering those questions on Friday. Saturday. Sorry. Try not to color in this part. If you do, that is okay. And what we're going to do is now we're going to just take our green off, and then we are going to take our lighter green. Yeah, we'll do this after. So we'll take our light green, kind of fill that in. Kind of like this. Now for these smaller parts that might be a thick marker part might come out, I'm just using this part. This is a double pointed one. If you're wondering about like where I got these markers, they are on Amazon. It is the Smart Color Art. I think that's what it's called, Smart Color Art, and it should be on there. They're blending markers, so they're super nice. Don't want any white to show. Okay, so we're done with that green. I'm just gonna take this kind of just to make it go over it a bit. I just don't want any white to show except for up here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this green again, and I'm going to kind of make these markings. You guys could really do whatever you want. I'm just going to kind of make some random ones. They're just kind of random and stuff. Like that. Okay, so that's just like his dirt block part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. I'm going to take the, you know what, let's do the yellow first. And we can take our little yellow, darker yellow part and kind of just fill it in here. Just the front part of the face will be yellow. Now this is kind of orange, but that's okay. And there we go. Now, what I want to do is I want to take my lighter yellow. We don't really need these greens or yellows anymore, so I'm just going to put these away. All we need is the red and gray and then the light yellow. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of take this part, make that yellow. And that's the only part that will be yellow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my red now, and I'm going to fill this in with this part, the skinnier part, or the smaller tipped part. I'm going to go like that. Okay, so what I want to do here, I'm going to make kind of a loop, kind of like a curve like that. This part will be gray and this part will be red. I'm going to fill that in a bit red. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to, actually, keep our red, So we're just going to, let's just do this real quick. And we are almost done, and there we go. Now that we have the body, the whole main part done, let's just take the nice gray, and we will just kind of go over this part and just make it a lighter gray. That's the end of his ear right there. So what I want to do, I want to take my gray. I'm just going to kind of make it half. So we're going to make half of it gray, half of it a dark gray. I think that's just shading, but let's just do that. There we go. Then we'll finish it off with a dark gray, and then we'll be done. Just kind of take this, fill it in with the dark gray, just like so. Okay, there we go. There is our Minecraft Sniffer. I really like that. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.